Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This very quick video will be showing me try out the new Outre expression twisted up original bump twist 12-inch air, which is actually pre-twisted spring twist. Now while this air will save you some time trying to twist the air yourself, I do feel that the untwisted ones are kind of better than this one, in the sense that this one feels just a little bit more textured than your regular spring twist. But on the bright side, the air is lightweight and the price is actually decent, given that a bag cost $6.99 plus tax from the beauty supply, and there's 20 twists in each bag. And for this install we use 5 bags, which I feel is not enough because it just didn't seem full enough for me. So for a full head I would suggest 6 bags, if not more. 5 bags did full ahead, but the back had to be spaced out and I didn't really like that. So far the air looks like it's gonna hold up, but I don't really like the fact that this twist, they look kind of straight. I mean, they don't look so crinkled to me, but I think they do have another option, and that's this other one. They have a different one. It's the same bump twist named, but the other one, I think it's it comes a little bit more crinkled, and but yeah, let me see. Remember, then yes, it does say wavy bump twist. Yeah, it says wavy bump twist as against this one that says original. I think I'll find a picture of that and put it in this video. And that's about it for now, and thank you. Now this one here is the more crinkled one that I was talking about earlier.